Hey Glam Doll, so I'm going to begin this video by saying if you're interested in the eye look that I have going on in this video and how I actually create it, the link to it will be down in the description box below, sharing with you how I actually achieved this desired eye look. But this video today is going to be about these REVELE silicone sponges, which I purchased from my local Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be giving you my first impressions, a demo along with a review, and I'm praying that these work out for me. I never used silicone blenders before, so I'm not sure how this is going to work, but I'm going to start off by at least mixing my foundation. Now, I've been mixing my foundations a lot lately, and this one is my MAC Cosmetics as well as my LA Girl Cosmetics. Mix these two colors together, and then I'm going to take the first silicone blender. Read on the back of its packaging, it says it's supposed to give a smooth application. I'm going to tap it. And let's see what happens. I'm going to dab it along the perimeters of my face. And here is where I begin blending it in. And so far, so good. You know, this is going really, really smooth, really, really well. And I gotta admit, it's going a lot better than when I use my regular foundation face blending brush to blend my foundation. So this is applying effortlessly easy. It's definitely giving me a smooth application. It's giving me even coverage. My foundation isn't coming out streaky or anything like that. And I'm liking how it's just gliding against my skin. So this is going to be great because it's not going to give me any irritation or little scratches from like the hairs of the makeup brush or whatever. And I'm really enjoying it. And look at this. The coverage came out really, really well. I gotta admit, I am impressed so far with the first silicone sponge. So I'm going to quickly just apply some under eye concealer. I've been using this one by Maybelline Dark Circle Eraser. It works really, really well. And I also been using the Maybelline Superstay foundation stick for contour. And I'm going to now use the teardrop version of the silicone blender, and it's just so weird using these things, but let's see how this one goes. Alright, it is actually blending it out effortlessly easy. I gotta admit, these silicones are super exceeding my expectation. Around my nose area, I go back to the original silicone blender and smooth that out. But here's where it gets a little tricky now. It's doing the contour, but to me, it's not blending it out the way I would like it. It's giving me a harsh looking contour. And I'm assuming because it's a silicone blender, and I tried taking the regular face silicone blender, but it's not smoothing out the dark contour well enough for me. Now, I don't feel that this means the silicone itself is ineffective. I just kind of feel like maybe it's because it's a dark color that I'm using, but it's looking weird. So I decided at this point, aside from taking this phone call, I decided at this point to take my regular facial blending brush that I use and blend out that contour. So right off the back, I already know the silicone blenders, they're going to work effortlessly easy, very, very well, but not when it comes to me doing my contour. I'm still going to need to use my regular face blending brush to do so. I try applying a lighter concealer to fix that contour, but as you can see, as I use a silicone sponge, all it does is gives me the coverage that I'm looking for, but it's not blending out the contour like how I would like it. So on that note, I just had to use my face blending brush. So I'm going to quickly set my makeup by using my Scandinavia Bridal Setting Spray. It helps to keep my face matte. And once I do that, this completes the look. I mean, overall, like I said, I like these blenders. And to say it was in Dollar Tree, to say it was just $1, I am not mad at it all. So dolls, this concludes the look. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. These blenders are worth you looking into. And then I'm going to apply my lipstick. And I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.